To import contacts into the system, you will need either an Excel or CSV file with all of the columns of information labeled. We've also listed some important tips for importing a file for you to review as well. Once your file is set, click on the Browse button to select your file. Once you've attached your file, you can go ahead and name it, as well as select a keyword if you would like. Now click Start Upload. You will now be brought to our mapping page. This makes sure the system is properly importing your data into the correct fields. Make sure to map each of the columns' data to a field before hitting the Merge Data Fields button. Our system will now go through the file and give a breakdown of how many new records are in the file, as well as existing or invalid numbers. After you review this, go ahead and select Save New Contacts. Our system will now go through the file and begin uploading it. Remember that it may take a longer amount of time based on the amount of contacts in your file.